Yeah. And if we don't stop him, I'm going to continue to do this thing over and over. Because we don't know who is the next victim. I know.
When you hear that, my viewers, I say Coolie man mother walk around and do interview all over the place. I look sympathy for him. You see the people them pan Job's Lane, who na idiot, you know. You see if I ever did Guyana, Job's Lane with a bun down already and turn Hope Milan until them find the boy Coolie man. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you no subscribe yet. So here we go on to them people. A reprisal killing pan Middle Lane for Britany. The girl we get slapped on Wildman Street. Plus, Craigtown Dan Rick Dick is back in him hometown. So before me jump in at the reasoning and make you know where I go on, pre this.
Every day I come in and joke. Like it was me saying, you're going like you're Christian. You're Christian. And when you do a 12 o'clock at night time of the talk about. Where I tell you, give me my food for along me in 1 hour. When me away, bomb up here wait for food 1 hour for. Where I tell me, give me my food. A big idiot girl, a pussy hole, everything there. The whole of my pocket them full of money. Suck your mother, me.
All of them make money over your brother.
Who make money? A chunk changes pussy. A chunk changes to the minimum wage. Remember news they have for me. Beg where? Where me a beg? Where you know about me? Where you know about me, Mason, about beg? Where I tell Mr. Mason? What the fuck you are? I pray for you myself if you want me to tell you. You never go nowhere. You never go make a you go batty boy, try boy, me say the 2 man rate them. You feel like man Friday food. You suck on the mama and give me my juice and my food, make me go on. Me no cash my receipt already. Pussy me ever beg nothing yet. My mother and my father is for me a level. Pussy hole, a 3-story house me live in, a craving here build that. So me no put in the window them yet. I tell me say, but suck on the mama. When you
hear that, my viewers, that's one of the biggest problem them boy. The man them love trace like woman, you see. You can know the man them who grew up with them mother alone and never grew up with no father, you know. See one of them there. So my viewers, you ever see Adam Stewart, Leachin, or Bush Stewart them at KFC yet? Alright then, rich man no go KFC. So you see all of the people them are always there in a KFC and always style the work of them. I talk about no rich and them now make no money and a minimum wage. Brother, if you did rich, you would have your maid, you would have your servant, you would have depend your way guy your yard to your home cooked food. So I want to know for you, eh? Not for you for ease on yourself, you know. Cause if KFC no open up, boy, you no dead for hungry, you know. Cause no for you now go buy a pound of rice or even 2 tin of mackerel and cook that, you know. So no for you for calm down, brother. You hear that? A restaurant you know, you see how much people that they say wait just like you? Where you want them? Raw chicken? Eh? So see them viewers, I style up the work of them attack all type of thing, but tell you this brother, rich man no name a KFC. Rich man have maid, servant, and gone him yard, can get him home cooked food. So no for who know where I talk, no need for think before no talk brother. And stop shame on yourself on camera. So my people, walk with me and now. We see a reprisal killing on Main Street for Britany. That girl you wanna see on the screen. When I show on the video like couple days ago. Me do a review where I look a crash dummy make man send him going a shop on Wildman Street for go shoot up the girl. And couple days after the girl lose her life. See it my viewers. Reprisal killing. Drive by. Gunman pull up a pal and hack him foot. And spread them out me I tell you no. And never ask no question. People, when they talk about reprisal killing, you know, this thing here is a must in a Jamaica, you know. No man now go make you splash out them system array, you know. And you say the boy them they round the road and them no circle around the road and come make it up my brawling, you know. So see it yeah. All if Paul and Hakeem never involved in this thing yeah. The man them no care. Cause Britany done drop out already. So any man did dep on Main Street or a certain place, you either go get it, brother, and know say a part of life. So see it yeah, crime and violence a mash up boy yeah. And most of the time, the innocent them get caught in a this too. Cause if them can't catch shot, them a go catch the pants. And if the pants run, them a go hold on the hat. So see them yeah my viewers, and them get caught up in the badness. Reprisal killing, man them bust out Paul and Hakeem head. So no walk with me and now we are going to Craigtown when it's allegedly said it done for Craigtown. Rick Dick is back in him hometown. My viewers, all type of things start up back in a Craigtown, you know, from Rick Dick drop on the ground, you know. Me I hear say they done there in the place, and when they done visit the thugs them, 100 man they round the done. Me I hear say they done and make the man them know say yo, our time now for take over the place, you know. We don't want them boy there in the place, you know. I want talk, you know, and a Gaza talk boy, you know. So my viewers, from Rick Dick forward back in the place. All type of things start to happen back in the place. Man make step go up on the 110, fire some 9 ball off of some man, and I say them no want to up them in the place. So see it here, school soon lock, you know. Kids them are going to get summertime, you know. I want to see what going to happen. Pitney them are going to get summertime and have to lock up in them house again. Like when them did a go school, me I tell you no. Just because of some unnecessary war where the man them want start up back in the place. Why the man them can't just look into themselves and realize say no war now go win, boy, ya brother? You no notice that the dance and the general them. You no notice say only sacrifice who not sacrifice the youth them. Who now go jail, go dead house. Nothing good now come out of this, you know. For years, war a fight in a Craigtown. And we wanna get out of the war we are fighting in a Craigtown. No diamond and no gold no in a Craigtown, you know. Nobody now go win no war in a Craigtown, you know. All you now go do is just kill off no one another, you know. So to all of the dance them, this you no want for Craigtown, brother. For mash up Craigtown, brother. You no want to see the youth them in a Craigtown, brother. I live good, brother. And I make it happen, brother. So as I say, my viewers, the dance for Craigtown is back in the place. And he must say him no want certain man in him place. So you don't know how that thing there go in a Craigtown right now. Look like it a go be a bloody summer. So my viewers, you know walk with me. When I say Coolie man mother, I walk around all the place I do interview and but why she not talk? Which part her son there? Or who hide her son? She talk like she don't know where her son there. You see, no people pan Job's Lane. If I ever did Guyana, Job's Lane with a ton hope Milan already. Until we find the boy Coolie man. You no think Coolie man from Belly them no know where him there? You no think them not hide him? Where him could have run gone so? Who pick him up in a car? You think I walk him a walk pan road? My viewers, don't get fooled by all of them people you wanna see I come out pan media and I look sympathy, love. Coolie man forget a 9 ball in him head brawling. No cell block. Cause the justice system I go feel the little girl. When you hear that, so you see the people them pan Job's Lane, I wanna should have catch the boy from early. But when a joker, when you make the boy dig off and could all their country right now. So my people, I take away myself, you know. When you stay safe on road, protect on 3 points. When you don't know my code, life over death. You see me?